Hello everyone. Dit is een super recorder and it's just a recorder for spoken text, and then you have to click on this one here, and then it goes here, the text goes here, and ultimately when you stop it creates a file, and in this case it was this file, and it's the same as this one. It's less than 2 minutes, 1.4 minutes. Now it's all about natural speaking, because in natural speaking they ask you, do you have a spoken file that we can work with? And so I made that file, and I read it from a book, and I let you know what I read. And then the system made this file, and it's pretty accurate. So I think that's amazing. So I'll let you know. You can compare it yourself. It starts here. Play. Understanding the way Maya organizes data about the objects, animation, textures, lights, dynamics, and all the other elements contained within the 3D environment of a scene. Now, I said 3D, and he didn't say that. He said contained within the treat, And but then he goes on. Understanding the way Maya organizes data about the objects, animation, textures, lights, dynamics, and all the other elements contained within the 3D environment. You heard that? I said 3D, right? So I click here again. I hope it goes on then. Environment of a scene is essential to understanding how the interface is organized, period. Maya uses what, you have to say that period, because otherwise he doesn't put down a dot in general. Okay. It's known as the dependency graph to keep track of the various packets of data, no. Now, did he say, he said dependency. I don't know if he said graph. I cannot go back here to check it, but maybe you heard it. I don't think he said graph, but he was pretty close. Known as nodes, and how they affect each other, period. Any single element of a Maya scene consists of multiple nodes connecting in a web, and each of these nodes is dependent on another, period. He said on another, and he said here on not. That's, it's a minor thing, I think. Maya's interface consists of editing windows that allow you to connect these nodes in an intuitive way and edit the information contained within each node. Now, that's the end, right? That's not the last thing is not very good, but you must understand that I gave that computer very little training. I did an introduction chapter, I spoke with that, and then this one is only less than 2 minutes. I mean, it's amazing. And then they offer you to, that I think they go certain hours in a week, like a Monday, between 1 and 3 or something, then they download audio files, and then they work on that. That company. That's what I understand. So it will improve even more. So I think it's fantastic.